Hi everyone, it's Caitlin and welcome back to Your Financial Journey. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a Roth IRA, or individual retirement account, with Fidelity Investments, step by step. And yes, you're never too young or too old to start saving. In fact, I opened my first Roth IRA when I started earning a bit of money at age 15, but more about that later. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax earnings, meaning you've already paid income tax on it. You can usually invest in things like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and etc. And because you've already paid taxes on the money that you contribute to your Roth IRA, anything you earn in your Roth IRA is not taxed, and any earnings you withdraw from it after you retire is also tax-free, so long as you've had the account open for at least 5 years. For 2025, the annual IRA contribution limit is $7,000 if you're under 50 and $8,000 if you're 50 or older. Your modified adjusted gross income, or MAGI, in 2025 has to be under $150,000 for single filers or under $236,000 for joint filers to make the full Roth IRA contribution of either $7,000 or $8,000, depending on your age, and you can make these 2025 IRA contributions until the unextended federal tax deadline, retroactively for income earned in 2025. There are some specific rules and regulations around Roth IRAs that you should be aware of. So if you are interested in more information, please leave a comment below and we'll see if we can pull together a separate Roth IRA video for you in the coming weeks and months. For today's video, let's just say that Roth IRAs are particularly well suited for teens, younger adults, and anyone who is in a lower tax bracket now and who expects to be in a higher tax bracket later on in life. Because you pay all the taxes that you owe the government now when you are in a lower tax bracket and won't have to pay them in the future when you are in a higher tax bracket. As I said at the beginning, my parents actually helped me and my siblings set up our Roth IRAs the moment we started working. Most young people don't think much about retirement, and that is understandable. It can feel pretty far away. But in real life, the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. If you need some more motivation, check out my sister Ava's video here on how to become a millionaire with compound interest. Setting up a Roth IRA could be one of the first steps to that millionaire milestone, and the sooner you start and the more serious you are about it, the greater the likelihood you'll hit that millionaire status one day. So the Roth IRAs that my sisters and I have are all with Fidelity. And when my youngest brother starts working, I'm sure my parents will also help him set up his Roth IRA there as well. My mom has had her investment accounts with Fidelity for over 3 decades. If you're new to the world of investing or to Fidelity, here are some fun facts about the brokerage behemoth. As of December 31st, 2024, Fidelity reported assets under administration totaling $15.1 trillion and discretionary assets under management amounting to $5.9 trillion. It is one of the largest and most well-known brokers in the world, along with Charles Schwab and Vanguard. Fidelity was founded in 1946, and one of the main reasons we like Fidelity is because it offers a wide range of low-cost mutual funds, ETFs, and other investment products. Its customer service, digital platform, and research tools are added pluses too. On that note, let's dive straight into our tutorial so that I can show you how to set up your Roth IRA with Fidelity step by step. Here we are at Fidelity's website. Here's their web address. Let's click on Open an Account, and this next page will appear. In the Retirement and IRAs box, let's click on Open an Account, and then this screen pops up. Let's click on Open a Roth IRA. Here's the page that appears next, asking me if I am a Fidelity customer. If I am a Fidelity customer, I'd click Yes here, at which point Fidelity would ask me to log into my account so that they can pull up the customer information that they already have on me. This would speed up my account opening process, but for the purposes of today's video, let's assume that I am not already a Fidelity customer, and let's click on No here. And this explanation will appear below telling me that opening an account takes just a few minutes and what the next steps are. Let's click on Next, which will take me to this Tell Us About Yourself page. I'll have to enter my full name, social security number, date of birth, and country of citizenship. And once I'm done, I'll scroll down and fill in my mobile number, email, and address here. Then I'll click Next, which will take me to this How Do You Make a Living page. If I click on this little down arrow here, this pull-down menu will appear with options for employment status. I'll select retired. I'm not actually retired. As my parents are fond of saying, you haven't even gotten started yet. But let's daydream a bit today and say that I am retired. Once I've made my selection here, I'll scroll down and read through the section on securities industry regulations. As Fidelity states, these are uncommon situations, but do read through the questions and see whether they apply to you. If they do, then click on Some Apply and follow the instructions that appear next. For this tutorial though, let's just assume that these questions do not apply to me and click on None Apply and then Next. And this page will appear asking me to take a moment to review and confirm the information that I just entered, which is what I will do now. Then I'll scroll down and check whether everything else down here is correct. It is, so I'll scroll down further to this Important Documents and Confirmation section and click on each of these individual documents and read through everything to make sure that I understand everything. Once I'm through, I'll scroll down to review the rest of these bullet points and then I'll click Open Account. And here is the screen that appears afterwards, telling me that my application has been submitted and is currently being processed. This typically takes 1 to 2 business days, but may take longer. Fidelity will contact me if additional information is required, and when my account is open and ready to fund, Fidelity will reach out to me. At this point, I can click Close to exit out of my application. So, I submitted my Roth IRA application with Fidelity on a Saturday evening and I received an email on Monday evening saying that my account was open, at which point I logged into my account with the email that I entered on my original Roth IRA opening application. And here I am on my account summary page. To finish setting up my Roth IRA, I'll need to click here. And this next page will appear showing me the different ways that I can add funds, send some money to my new account, either with a mobile check deposit, an electronic funds transfer from my checkings or savings, or a transfer of another account elsewhere to Fidelity. And if I scroll down further, here are some more options to choose from. If you are new to investing, you may want to start with either one of these 2 options here. You can also go ahead and name your beneficiaries by clicking here. Beneficiaries are the people who would receive the assets in your Roth IRA if anything were to ever happen to you. You can name one beneficiary like your spouse or a parent, or you can name multiple beneficiaries like your siblings or children. And that, my financial friends, is how you can go ahead and set up a Roth IRA with Fidelity. If you found this video useful and want a bit of motivation to kickstart your financial journey, then check out this video here that my sister Ava did on Warren Buffett, who many consider to be one of the most successful investors of our time. And make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let us know what other money topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.